Brent crude breaks $111 amid Hormuz tensions. This information was collected at 7:30 p.m. JST from multiple financial sources. Here is your USD JPY pre-New York session update for May 18, 2026. During the London session, the US dollar index eased to 99.10 as hopes of a US-Iran peace deal emerged through Pakistani mediation channels. However, this modest dollar weakness proved temporary as Treasury yields remained elevated, with bond sell-offs weighing against the euro. The yen found limited support despite the dollar's dip, as rising oil prices and geopolitical risk premiums continued drawing attention to currency pairs sensitive to energy costs. Brent crude has surged past $111 per barrel as the International Energy Agency warns of rapid commercial oil inventory drawdowns, with the Hormuz closure creating immediate supply concerns. The Middle East tensions are putting upward pressure on crude, which historically raises risk-off sentiment and strengthens the yen temporarily. However, this benefit is being offset by broader dollar strength driven by expectations that elevated oil prices will support Fed hawkishness. U.S. Treasury yields remain elevated following the Fed leadership transition to Kevin Warsh, whose hawkish policy stance is being interpreted as supporting prolonged rate hold expectations. Rising yields are drawing capital flows toward dollar-denominated assets, with the currency pair continuing to reflect the tension between geopolitical risk-off and Fed policy strength. Gold's struggle to extend its recovery underscores investor caution regarding inflation implications from oil's rise. New York traders will monitor initial reactions to the Trump-Xi summit outcomes, where discussions on agricultural purchases and Boeing orders signal potential trade deal developments. Economic data focus remains light, with market attention centered on how oil volatility and geopolitical positioning influence Fed policy expectations heading into the week. That's your pre-NY session USD JPY update. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice.